The VR-ready HP Omen is one of the cheaper laptops packing a NVIDIA GeForce 1060 GPU. It's got a terrific display, a comfortable keyboard and a super speedy Intel i7 processor. Plus, it's stylish for a gaming laptop. The bad its 4K screen means woeful battery life, falls behind other 1060 equipped laptops on benchmark tests. The bottom line, it's not as elegant as a Razer Blade or as powerful as an Alienware, but the 15-inch HP Omen is one of the better machines in its price range. When NVIDIA unveiled its Max-Q laptop architecture earlier this year, it told us we'd see gaming machines with the power of a desktop in the shape of a MacBook Pro, mainly in thanks to more efficient GeForce 10 series GPUs. HP's new Omen 15 is the latest product under the Max-Q umbrella, but it's too thick to live up to that promise. Don't count it out though. As long as you're not expecting some hypothetical laptop from the future, you'll find a machine that strikes a good balance between style, power and price. The first Max-Q machine to hit the market was the Asus Zephyrus, but you wouldn't think that, and the Omen are cut from the same cloth. Both run 15.6-inch displays, but the Zephyrus packs a NVIDIA GeForce 1080 GPU into a 17.9mm thick, 5-pound frame. The Omen's GeForce 1060 card and its 33mm thick body can't compete. But the Omen won't burden you with the same financial weight as the Zephyrus. The unit we reviewed will set you back $1,700, $2,900, £1,400, while the Zephyrus weighs in at $2,700, $5,000, £2,800. So no, don't get too excited by the Max-Q branding the HP Omen carries. But that doesn't mean there is nothing to be excited about. It's a much better looking laptop than last year's blandish model, and the aforementioned GeForce 1060 is a new option for this year's Omen. The best GPU you could get in last year's 15-inch Omen was a 1050 Ti, which was still fine for mainstream gaming, but the 1060 is much more VR friendly.